So friends, let us do another problem from practical 1, question 4, evaluation of simple triple integrals. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to z, integral 0 to x plus z, 6xz, dy, dx, dz. So everything is given, all the limits of y, first with respect to y, so limits are given, first with respect to x, second with respect to x, then its limits are given, and at the end limits of z are given as 0 to 1. So very simple. So let us start how to evaluate this. Okay. So let I is equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to z, and integral 0 to x plus z, 6xz, dy, dx, dz. Okay. So this equals integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to z. Now integral is with respect to y. So this x and z and 6, all these are constant with respect to y. So integral of dy will be y over 0 to x plus z, dx and dz. Integral of dy will be y and limits are over 0 to x plus z, right? So this equals integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to z. Now this will be upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. So this is 6xz into x plus z dx dz. Now just multiply inside by this 6xz. So this will equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to z. I will take this 6 outside. So x square z plus xz square, this with respect to x and with respect to z. This is equal to 6 into integral 0 to 1. Now we will take the integral. Now integral of x, z is constant, so this is z into x cube by 3 plus z square into integral of x is x square by 2, and limits are over 0 to z dz. So I is equal to, therefore I is equal to 6 integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now put x and z. For lower limit, see here x is here, x is here, so you are going to put the limits for x. So this will be 0, this will be 0, so only upper limit. So z cube, this will be z cube and this is z. So 1 by 3 z raised to 4, this is 1 by 3 and this is z raised to 4 plus this z square z raised to 4 divided by 2 with respect to z. Now just take the integral 6 into, I will write another bracket, so 1 by 3 z raised to 5 upon 5 plus 1 by 2 z raised to 5 upon 5, and everything is over 0 to 1. So this is equal to 6 into, so this will be, upper limit is 1 by 5, so this is 1 by 15 plus this is 1 by 10 upper limit 1 raised to 5, that is 5 into 2, so 10. So this is equal to, yes, take the LCM as 30. Okay, so this is 2 and this 6 is here, 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 6 into 5 divided by 30, and your answer will be 1. Therefore, I is equal to 1. So this is what the answer of your problem is. Okay, so just evaluate simply the given integral. Okay, so for the first example, answer is I is equal to 1. Okay, now let us do another problem immediately. So, evaluate example 3. Evaluate integral 0 to root 2 into integral 0 to 3y into integral x square plus 3y square, x square plus 3y square to x square minus y square (8 minus x square minus y square). So these are the limits, and integrand is very simple. This is so simple, dz, then it is dx and dy, dz, dx, dy. So see, integrand is only 1. So just you have to go on integrating. So let's see how to solve another problem. Evaluate integral 0 to root 2, integral 0 to 3y, integral x square plus 3y square to 8 minus x square minus y square dz, dx, dy. Okay. So now see, so integral, take I is equal to, let I is equal to given integral. Okay, I is equal to given integral. Then yes, take the integral with respect to, z first. So integral of dz is z. So that will be, so x square plus 3y square, lower limit and upper limit. So dx, dy. Okay, because the inner integral is with respect to z. So now take the limits here, upper limit minus lower limit. So 8 minus x square minus y square and minus this, both these, okay, with respect to x and with respect to y. Then what is the 8 minus x square, that is minus 2x square, and this is minus 4y square. So 8 minus 2x square minus 4y square dx, dy. Okay, now integrate this with respect to x. Okay, so integral of 8 is 8x, x cube by 3, so that is minus 2 by 3 x cube, minus 4y square is constant with respect to x. Okay, so this is 4y square x, and just put the limits as 0 to 3y. Now put the limits as 0 to 3y. So that will be 3y, 8 into 3y, 24y, minus this is 27, 3y, x cube is 3y, so 27 y cube, but here is 3, so 1 3 will get cancelled, so 9 into 2 minus 18 y cube, and this is 3y, so 4 3s are 12 y cube. Okay, so now this 18y cube minus 12y cube will be 30y cube, and yes, 24y minus 30y cube dy. So just you take now the integral. So 24y square by 2 minus 30 y cube y raised to 4 by 2 and over 0 to root 2, 0 to root 2. Now put root 2 here. So root 2 is, root 2 square is 2, 2 will get cancelled. So only 24. So that will be 24. So that is 24 minus, now this is integral of y cube is y raised to 4 by 4. Okay. So now put y as root 2. So root 2 raised to 4 is 4. So again 4 by 4. So that will get cancelled, and what you will find is minus 6. Therefore, the final answer is I is equal to minus 6. I is equal to minus 6 is the final answer. Okay. So this is how you can solve the given problem. Very simple problem, just you go on putting the limits. Okay. Now let us do the next problem on triple integral. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, then 0 to 3 minus 3x, 0 to 3 minus 3x minus y, dz dy dx. There is no integrand, so quite simple for you to do the calculation. Only you have to do the calculations. Okay. So suppose I is equal to given integral 0 to 1, this 3 minus 3x, 0 to 3 minus 3x minus y, dz dy dx. So we will do this. So 0 to 3 minus 3x into integral of dz is z, 0 to 3 minus 3x minus y dy dx. So this equals integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 3 minus 3x of 3 minus 3x minus y dy dx, upper limit minus lower limit, because there is z is 0, so no question of having anything. So this equals integral 0 to 1. Now take the integral of this with respect to y. So this is, yes, 3y minus 3xy minus y square by 2, 0 to 3 minus 3x dx. Okay. So this equals, now I will write here. So I is equal to integral 0 to 1. Now just put y as 3 minus 3x. So 3 minus 3x minus 3x into 3 minus 3x minus half 3 minus 3x bracket square with respect to x. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1. So this will be 9 minus 9x square minus 9x, 9 minus 9x, and this will be minus 9x minus minus 9 minus minus plus 9x square minus half 9 minus 6x square minus 6x, not 6x, that should be, I may take 3 common. So okay, so this is 9 and plus 9x square and with respect to x. Okay. So this is equal to, this equals, now you just do the simple calculations. Okay, so then what you will find is, so this 9 minus 9x and 9x, then this is 9, sorry, this should be 18x and this should be 9x square. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So integral 0 to 1, 9 minus 18x plus 9x square minus half into 9 minus 18x plus 9x square and with respect to x. Okay, so just you observe 9 minus 18x plus 9x square, 9 minus 18x, this is minus half, so 1 half will remain, positive half. So 0 to 1, 9, I will take a half. This is 1 into this minus half into this, so minus 18x plus 9x square dx. Even you may take 9 common, so 9 by 2 integral 0 to 1 minus 2x plus x square 0 to 1. Just you take the integral 9 by 2, so integral of 1 is x minus x square by 2, so that is x square plus x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So 1 minus 1 will go out. Okay, and yes, so what you find is, so I will write here, this is equal to 9 by 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 0, into 1 by 3, so that will be 3 by 2. Okay, so therefore I is equal to 3 upon 2, I is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is what the answer is. So just put the limits and have the answer. So this is the last problem from your practical 1.